Working on removing the trim from the window. I started by prying out in the end so I get my screwdriver underneath. And I came down here and you just kind of pry against that lip and it starts popping its way out. Just put a little more tension on it as you work your way back and it should pop right up. It's getting a little trickier down here right now, but I'm going to keep working at it. As I'm doing this, see my piece is off way up here. I'm winding up having to pry all the way down here to get it almost like broke loose, and it's slowly coming out as I work my way down. Now we're getting somewhere. Just light pressure, kind of going like rolling it out. I'm not really pulling on it because I don't want to bend it. See it. It's moving. Ouch. Just keep working your way down. Here we go. It looks pretty good. Just take your time and be patient. Let the pressure pull itself out. It'll be a good looking piece when you're done. See if I remember this. I do it. Kind of get it started. And come under here. Focus. Just kind of work your way. Just work your way down a little ways until this side is now loose. And you just keep working your way down and it'll come off. Just like that, it's off. You gotta just keep working your way down, keep rolling it up, taking your screwdriver, prying it out and rolling it up. And eventually you'll get to about right here and it'll just pop right off. You just gotta keep working your way all the way down with the screwdriver.